In this video, I will show you step by step how you can insert a SIM card into a Samsung Galaxy S20FE. So as you can see, right, we've got the device right here. You will also need one of these tools right here, the pin, to open up the slot where the SIM card goes. And then once you have done this, you will want to remove any case or anything that you've got attached on the mobile phone. Now, where the SIM card slot is located on the S20FE is at the top right. It's quite hard to see, so if I just shine a light on this right here, as you'll notice, it's on the right hand side. It's on the right hand side of the phone, and then once you have located this, all we simply need to do is we need to take our pin, and then we need to put the pin into the hole to release the SIM card. Now what you want to do is you want to locate it and then push it in. And then as you'll notice, what you'll get is you'll get this SIM card slot right here, which you'll then be able to remove. And then once you've entered in your SIM card, put the SIM card into the slot, and then what you can do then is reinsert it back in to this right here. Once you do that, that will mean that you have inserted a SIM card into your S20FE. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.